Hello everyone, this is Brianna here to review with you today about there is and there are. So, if you are ready, with your eyes open and your ears open, let's start. So, let's remember first, there is used for singular. When there is only one thing, for example, there is a banana, or when we talk about things that we cannot count, cosas que no podemos contar. For example, there is some water, right? We can't count the amount of water. There is some milk, right? Okay. And then we use there are when it is plural, two or more things. So, there are some apples. There are 4 books on the table. All right? So, let's start. Read and answer. Are there any coconuts? Look at the picture. Are there any coconuts? No, there aren't. Aren't is the negative. No, there aren't. Que no hay. No, there aren't. Very good. Are there any grapes? What are grapes? Are there any grapes? Yes, there are. And look, here are. Are there any grapes? Yes, there are. Fantastic. Let's continue. Are there any ice lollies? Yes, there are. Very good, because it's plural, right? How many ice lollies can you see in the picture? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 ice lollies. Is there a burger? Is there a burger? Is this singular or plural? Singular, because we see a here. Is there a burger? What do you think? Yes, there is. Very good. And again, we have the same words. Is there? There is. Is there a mango? No, there isn't. No, there isn't a mango. We use is because of this word in the question. Is there a mango? It's singular. No, there isn't. Okay, now let's make a sentence with is or are. In the refrigerator, let's see what we have. There, some chicken. There is some chicken or there are some chicken. What do you think? There is some chicken. Chicken is just like with water or cheese. We use is. There is some chicken. There any pineapples. Do you see any pineapples in the picture? There aren't any pineapples. Good, there aren't any pineapples. And we know that it's aren't because of this S. It's plural. There aren't any pineapples. There a book. Can you see a book in the refrigerator? No. There isn't a book. And we say isn't because it's singular. There isn't a book. A means one. There isn't a book. There some eggs. What do you think? Can you see some eggs in the refrigerator? Are these eggs? No. Is this an egg? I don't think so. What's this? There are some eggs. There are some eggs. It's plural. How many eggs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 eggs. Very good. There some cheese. What did we say about cheese? There is some cheese. Where is the cheese? Can you find it? Boop. There it is. There is some cheese. There some milk. Can you see milk? Here we have the milk. So what are we missing? There is some milk. There is some milk. Very good. There any rice. Ooh, this one's very difficult. Can you see rice in the refrigerator? I don't think so. There isn't any rice. There isn't any rice. There 3 bottles of water. Is this singular or plural? That's right, it's plural. 3. Can you find 3 bottles of water in the fridge? Is this water? No. What about this? I don't think so. Aha! What do we have here? 3 bottles of water. So, there are 3 bottles of water. Very good. There any mangoes. Look here. This is plural. there any mangoes? Can you see any mangoes in the refrigerator? No, I don't think so. There aren't any mangoes. Very good. Fantastic job today, guys. I hope you learned a lot. And don't forget to keep practicing with your parents at home. Okay, see you next time. Bye-bye.